Okay, guys, 3D rendering of our layout. One thing to note, the distance between this wall and this wall isn't accurate. But overall, this wall width and these other wall widths are good. It's just the spacing in between them. So if we take a look at the fridge wall, microwave oven, our floating shelves will be here. The bottom of this is at 54 to keep the upper cabinets a little bit lower. So these would be stain grade shelves. They're 9 inches deep. I guess technically we could put a third in there because of our ceiling height. And here is, we would have a partition here to isolate the pantry, and then a door across this to cover up the pantry. The front of the island, again, stain grade, your cooktop mounted here, 60 inches wide. It would be about 24 deep. I think currently yours is 29. We could make the cabinet case 29, and then of course we'll do about a 12-inch countertop overhang off the back. But that's the front of the island. The sink wall, apron sink, dishwasher, drawer stack on the right, trash, drawer stack, upper cabinets. Typically we do 56. These are 54. Bring them down a little bit. The floating shelf across here with some LED lighting to shine up. And all the uppers, there's crown molding, under cabinet lighting under these. The beverage area, these cabinets are lower. I have to confirm the height of this wall, but your sink cab here, and then in this space, the beverage fridge and a couple floating shelves in there. Stain grade, that stain grade, painted white. These cabinets are white, stain grade. I would do this door stain grade. These cabinets are all stain grade, crown molding across the top, or excuse me, paint grade. And then these guys are stain grade here. So I'll give you some elevation views, this being an elevation view. And you could print these out, mark them up, or note some changes or requests that you have on there, and we can keep adjusting. And of course, I'll have to get back over there. I could do that next week and get tighter measurements. Let me know what you think. Thank you.